Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can also use QuickBooks to pay invoices created by the law firm using funds from the client's trust account. Before you do this, however, you should check to ensure that there are sufficient funds within the trust fund to cover the invoice amounts. You should never overdraw a client's trust account, as there are severe penalties for doing this. To pay the law firm's invoices using the client's funds, simply enter the amount to bill the customer as a bill against the client trust AP account. Select the law firm as the vendor for the bill. And use a double-sided Fees Paid from Trust line item within the Items tab of the bill. You should review Lesson 30.3 in Chapter 30 of this manual for a review of creating this item if needed. You must enter a separate bill for each invoice and be sure to enter the invoice number within the reference number on the bill. This will provide a clear connection between the invoice number and the bill entered. When finished, click the Save and Close button. Next, you can pay the bill by using the funds available in the Client Trust checking account by using the Pay Bills window. After that, you can then open the Receive Payments window to record the receipt of funds from the Client Trust account. Enter the amount received from the Client Trust Fund and also ensure that it is used to make the payment on the correct invoice. You can also note the invoice number paid within the Memo field of the Receive Payments window. Then click the Save and Close button when finished.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.